5-inch diameter round waterproof trailer light 12 LED serves 3 functions as stop light, turn signal light and tail light. Recessed mount with grommet and pigtails. Accept standard 3-prong plug. Compatible with 12 volts DC systems. Approximately 5-inch diameter grommet ring and 4 inner diameter and 1 3/16 thickness. Red lens with 12 LED diodes. IP65 waterproof light fixture and effectively withstand the invasion and corrosion of sand, dust, dirt, rain, snow etc. Easy installation. White is the ground, red is the high brightness for stop light, turn light, brake lights and black for low brightness as tail light, running light. These lights are impact resistant and less susceptible to shock damage. Each LED light is watertight sealed. These LEDs draw less current, generate less heat and are brighter and light faster than an incandescent bulb. 12-volt input. Compatible with almost all automobiles and devices equipped with a 8 to 16-volt DC power source such as semi-truck, semi-trailer, service truck, bus, service van, utility truck, enclosed trailer, utility trailer, boat trailer, parade float, horse trailer, utility trailer, pickup truck, ute, UTV Peterbilt, Freightliner, International, Kenworth, Mack and Lorry etc. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Liked the lights. They were good quality and included 6-in wiring harness for all lights.